G'day folks. I was going to do this live, but I have a feeling the dog and some trucks may interrupt us, so I'll edit this and upload it. Basically, this clip here is just asking your opinion. I've had a load of people ask me what's going on with the renovations. They've missed out on what's going on, why we're not living in the house anymore, and why we're at the cottage here. So I thought I'd just ask YouTube generally, are you folks interested in a clip looking at how the house build is going, why we're building or why we're renovating and what we intend to get out of it in the future? If you are, just leave in the comment section below a comment that just says house if you want, and I'll tally them up, and if there's enough folks interested, I'll shoot a bit of a clip just running through the plans and why we want to renovate and that sort of thing. Also too, a little bit of spruiking. It's coming up to Christmas, and I just wanted to let you folks know that I do have limited quantities of root pouches, you Aussies out there who are interested in them. So I'll leave a link down in the description below and you can check out what sizes I have left. The reason I don't have full stock at the moment is there is a shipment on its way from America, and I honestly don't have anywhere to store them here at the cottage. I have very limited space. It's smaller than a 2-bedroom flat where we're living at the moment. So I'm sort of glad that I don't have too much stock at the moment. But anyway, whatever's left down there, they're discounted, the larger sizes, and I'll discount the smaller ones as well. So check out on the link down there. And I've also got the awesome Queensland Nut Busters made by Nigel the Nutman down here in southeast Queensland. Those jobbies there I ship worldwide. They're absolutely fantastic at cracking pecans, walnuts and macadamia nuts, or Queensland nuts, as we've done ourselves. So check them out if you're interested in them as a gift. For you folks in Australia, I can pretty much all guarantee if you order in the next week or so, they will make it to you, especially if you select Express Post. But again, information for ordering them is down in the description. You folks overseas, I can't guarantee delivery before Christmas, if that's why you're ordering them. And finally, Uniseals. I do sell Uniseals from the Uniseal Australia mob. So if you're interested in using some rubber seals to make it cheaper for setting up your aquaponics system, link again down in the description below. And just to let you know, I will be releasing a garden video this weekend. This one will be looking at the 5 steps I like to use to grow a load of ginger. So that one will hopefully be up on Sunday night, so stay tuned if you want to suss that one out. I also do need to thank you awesome folks who are supporting us through YouTube and Patreon as well. Thank you very much, folks. There is the last hangout for the year for you 3rd tier patrons and your YouTube supporters, coming up not this weekend, the following weekend. So if you're a YouTube supporter, go over to the community tab and there'll be a post there by the time I post this telling you all about the hangout. And you folks on Patreon, pop over to Patreon and there'll be a post on the wall over there. So there you go. And thank you again to you super supporters over on Patreon who go above and beyond. There are links to their website and Facebook pages down in the description below. It'd be great if you could go down there, click on the links and show those folks some love. I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, that's it for what's hopefully going to be a quick update. I do hope you're all well and happy and your gardens are booming. Don't forget to vote whether you want to see the house video, and I will catch you later. Cheers folks, have a top one. We often get people asking how Lizzie's going. How are you going? She's going pretty good. She wants to play with a pig. She has an inside pig that we throw around for her, so it doesn't break anything or mark any walls. Used to have squeakies in it, but she slowly killed them all. But she's doing swimmingly well, thank you very much. She's getting a little bit older and she's a little bit stiff in the joints, but other than that she's going well. So she also has this compulsion to chase things, so that's why she has her little piggies in her balls. I dare say if she was on the farm she'd love rounding up cattle, being a part Kelpie. But anyway, a little bit of a look at how Lizzie's going, and I will pretty much all leave it there. Hope you're all well and happy. Cheers folks, I'm going to say bye bye. Catches.